This is Green Energy International, the largest online marketing and consulting channel for solar business and projects. We are continuing with the advantages of solar panels. This is part 2 and the last of our previous presentation on the pros and cons of solar panels. Now, the installation of solar panels to your home could allow you to become completely energy independent. With a good enough system that is well sized, you can generate enough energy to power your home without having to buy power from the grid. Not only is this a great accomplishment, but also means homeowners won't have to face the rising electricity prices again. Generating your own power, large amount of money. You also could not be affected if there was a power cut or any maintenance by the grid on their power lines. Many people who have become energy independent can say that there is a massive advantage of solar panels. With excess energy that is not used in your home, it can be sold to the grid for extra cash in some countries. Not only this, but you are providing your local community with clean, renewable energy. This helps you and your community to have cleaner energy supplied to your grid by pulling energy from the sun. Some homeowners will purposely upgrade their systems just to sell the excess energy back to the grid. The government offers some really good feed-in tariffs available for homeowners to get rewarded for the excess power they don't use. These tariffs usually vary from state to state. The two main tariffs are fixed rate and time varying. The price per kilowatt decided by these two tariffs and is a great way to help you pay off your system quicker. Once the system is paid off, you will see the return on investment from your solar panels. Solar panels could actually generate you free money, which is a massive advantage. Solar panels are really good investment to make. The homeowners will be able to get the money they invested back within time. Although solar panels have a high upfront investment cost, the money that gets saved each month on power bills will help towards paying off that cost of the system. The easy way to look at it could be, if you saved a large sum of money on your energy bill, then you can put that money towards covering the cost of your system. Once the solar system is paid off, you will still be saving money on your energy bills. Therefore, you are now making a return from the initial investment made on the solar panels. Are a great advantage of solar panels. Being able to sell your energy back to the government for cash is enticing for homeowners to make the move to solar. This, with pressures on governments to move towards greener solutions, all future rewards are looking bright. Rates may start to become more profitable and rebates becoming easier to get. However, this may not last forever. Although these rebates differ from state to state, they all offer a great reduction in the cost, and most will also offer a no-interest loan scheme. These government incentives actually make solar energy more affordable. This is a step in the right direction and helps the first-time buyers to secure solar. Some all-in-one systems come with batteries included. These systems let you store power you generate during the day and use it at night instead. This could benefit homeowners that use a majority of power at night. Similarly, to commercial businesses like supermarkets or schools. When you store power, you become independent from the grid. Rather than buy energy, you can use the energy that has been stored. This could provide even further savings for homeowners if invested with high-end solar panels and see full benefits of solar battery storage. High-end solar panels tend to have higher performance and generate more energy, meaning you can store more power quicker. Companies that design, test, and manufacture the solar panels include long-lasting warranties with their products. This shows that they have a lot of confidence in the performance of solar panels and that they are guaranteed to reach maximum performance for a period of time. Long-lasting warranties are a big benefit of solar panels because they show that they won't break or stop performance within the first 10 plus years of installing them. Companies like Jinko, LG, and SunPower offer great warranties. Homeowners can feel like moving to solar is less risky because they are covered by solar panel warranties. It also means they can work out their estimated savings given that there are no issues with the solar panels. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below.